And can I ask you, do you see any major differences between the different inspection bodies? I mean, being EMA or FDA or wherever they arrive from?
Yes, very, very much so. In the past, well, there's variances between the actual inspectors. So in the past, though, the FDA has had the perception of being very tough, being very, the focus may be different from what the EU is looking at, what the MCA is looking at, what Health Canada is looking at, what China or Korea will be looking at. Their focus may be different, and their expectations may be different as well too. And the level of competence as well in terms of the inspectors may vary. Typically, the inspectors will have a degree or a PhD or some type of educational background that helps them with what they're doing. It really depends, though. Some of them will be more experienced and some will be less. So there's a wide variety. But yes, even in terms of the inspectorates, it's quite a bit different. But it's evolving too. So I know for Health Canada, speaking from that standpoint, I know they've come up in recent years and have improved in terms of the way they do the inspections and the way they look at things. And there can be challenges no matter what. When you have an inspector coming in and you've got them asking questions, then it's up to you to address it.
Great.
And to be clear, so we'll get more about that too. So typically, the inspector will have pre-inspection requests. So they'll ask for documentation. Typically, they'll be regarding the facility information, if there's any non-conformances, and they'll look at the non-conformance logs, the CAPA logs, the list of SOPs, stability data, any change controls or complaints. These are some of the things that they may ask for in advance. They want to know more about some of your products if they don't have information on your products, but they'll want to get this information to be able to do a pre-assessment and be ready for when they come on site. And auditors do this as well too. So these are things that are essential for them so that they can come in and hit the ground running, basically.
Great.
So you have the inspection team we mentioned. So, and once again, I kind of touched on this before, inspectors are qualified by education, knowledge, and experience to conduct the inspections. They may include qualified chemists, microbiologists, other disciplines. They would bring newly recruited staff on site to do on-site training sometimes. So, I mean, one of the things that they need to do is they need to keep going in terms of having inspectors that are qualified and trained. So they will bring, in some cases, they'll let you know that the inspector is new. In some cases they will, some cases they won't. Typically, the inspection team, you're going to have someone who's in charge of the inspection team, coordinating the other inspectors. Everybody will be talking to them and coordinating their activities.